In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do margin trading on Binance. For those new to this, margin trading allows you to borrow funds to increase your buying power and is a strategy used to amplify potential returns. However, it's crucial to remember that while the rewards can be larger, the risks are heightened too. To start first, you'll need to log into your Binance account. If you haven't already, make sure you're signed up and keep your login credentials secure for safety. Once you've logged in, you'll head over to the Assets section. Here, you'll want to tap on Transfer. This is where you'll be able to move funds into your margin wallet. This step is important because having funds in your margin wallet is essential to start your margin trading journey. Ensure you're transferring only what you're comfortable trading with, bearing in mind the volatile nature of the activity. Once your funds are securely in the margin wallet, the next step is to navigate to the Trade option on the main menu. There you will have various options and you'll need to choose margin. This will lead you to the central hub where margin trading activities happen. It's crucial to familiarize yourself with this interface. Take a bit of time to explore it if you're not already acquainted. Binance provides an intuitive setup, but knowing your way around will help reduce errors. After entering the margin trading interface, the next move is to select your margin account. At this point, you'll see various options related to currency pairs and trades. Choose the account that aligns with your trading priorities, ensuring it matches your analysis and market reading at that moment. With your account selected, it's time to place your buy or sell order. This is where you decide whether you're anticipating the market to go up or down. Placing an order in margin trading is akin to standard trading, but remember you're operating with borrowed funds, so strategize accordingly. Depth in market analysis can guide here. Know the trends, consider historical data, and configure your approach based on that. Following the decision to buy or sell, you'll then enter the amount you wish to trade. Entering the correct trade amount is vital. It should reflect not only your confidence in the market trend, but also your risk tolerance. Always keep in mind to protect your portfolio by not overexposing yourself to undue risk. Finally, tap on the margin buy or margin sell to execute the trade. It's the last step, but take a moment to double check your entries before proceeding. Ensure the accuracy of all figures. Even seasoned traders review their trades before execution to prevent oversights. That's it, you have just completed a margin trade on Binance. Manage your positions actively and keep up with the market to make informed decisions in real time. And remember, while margin trading can enhance profits, it can equally increase losses, so trade wisely. Thank you for watching and happy trading.